Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Bohr and this is the math lesson for Thursday, April 16th, lesson 16, session 3 on page 401. So if you can open your book to page 401 and we can read this together. It says, there are 476 rocks and 148 minerals in a museum display. What is the total number of rocks and minerals in the display? So you can go ahead and solve that any way you like. You can draw a picture, you can stack those numbers. Let me give you a clue. You're going to have to regroup in the tens place and the hundreds place. We haven't done this for a long time, so try it out and see what you can do to figure out this answer. So pause the video and we'll talk about it when you're done. All right, let's look at this question and see how we can do this. So here's our question, 476 plus 148. So we're going to start in the ones place. So let's go ahead and add that up. 6 plus 8 is 14. So I'm going to have put my 10 up here from my 14 and my 4 down here. So I'm going to have 1 plus 7, which is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. I'm going to put my 1 from my 12. Remember the number 12 looks like this. The 1 is going to go on the 100 side. That 2 is going to be part of my answer. So I'm going to put that there. Now I'm going to add 1 plus 4 plus 1, which is going to be 6. So don't forget to add these ones up here at the top when you need them. You may not need them all the time, but remember that's how we regroup. We have too many numbers and we can't put them in my answer, so we're going to regroup those tens into the 10 side. When I have enough tens, I'm going to move those over to the 100 side. So hopefully you don't have any more questions with that. If you do, please call me. We can do a Google Hangout. So if you need to practice just regrouping, this is a little bit new. We have done it for a really long time, so I understand if you're not sure or can't remember how to do it. So we can work on that together, okay? All right, so let's see. On page 402, this is talking about how we solved that problem on the previous page. So it's showing us a model, breaking it down into the expanded form. It's showing how you can stack the numbers and get the answer, and it's showing different ways of doing that. So go ahead and look at that, different ways of adding 3-digit numbers. On page 403 is some questions about breaking up these numbers. Now you use the problem from the previous page to help you understand another way to add. So it's the same answer from the other page. You're just going to use that answer to fill out these questions. On page 404 are some new practice problems that you can solve. As well, on page 405 and 406 are some practice problems. So there's not very many, but go ahead and solve those questions, figuring out the answer for those. For adding and regrouping in the hundreds place. That is definitely something new. So good luck with that, and we'll see you next time. Bye.